Hi, I'm Dan from VBH. I'm here today to talk to you about smart technology. More and more homeowners are using smart technology in their home for things like heating, home entertainment and security. We at VBH have designed the Q-Smart door handle to fit in with this. So I'm here today to talk to you about the 4 areas of this handle. First one is what you can fit the door handle to. Secondly, how do you operate the handle? Thirdly, how is the door handle powered? And finally, who can fit the Dortech Q-Smart handle? So what can the Dortech Q-Smart handle be fitted to? The Dortech Q-Smart handle will be fitted to any 92PZ door lock and will suit any door that's PVC, aluminium, timber or composite that is 44mm to 70mm thick. It can be retrofitted to any existing door without drilling any new holes. You've got 3 methods of access externally. You have fingerprint, fob, or phone app. The fingerprint is the most popular form of entry. All you have to do, press your finger onto the door, and the door will open. You can add up to 50 fingerprints onto any handle, and the fingerprint will work from -30 to +50 degree temperature. The second form of entry is the encrypted fob. In the handle set, you receive 3 fobs. The fob is the replacement of the traditional key. Adding of the fob is very simple. It takes less than 30 seconds. If the fob is lost or the fob is broken, removal of the fob is very simple from the phone app. So there's no need to replace any handle sets. If the fob is lost, stolen or damaged, that fob can be deactivated using the mobile phone app, where that fob will instantaneously stop working. If you require any additional fobs, these can be purchased directly from VBH. The Q-Smart handle incorporates BlueSafe technology. The BlueSafe app is available on iOS and Android. From the app, you can open the door, you can add permanent or timed users. You can also remove and add fingerprints and fobs. Another feature of the phone app is being able to send remote keys, so you can give access to your door handle to anybody from wherever you are in the world. All they need to do is download the BlueSafe app firstly, and then you can send them a remote key. This key can be a permanent key, or you can give them timed access for whatever time of day and for how many days you would like. If the homeowner sells their property, they can transfer the ownership of the handle via the app. So how is the Q-Smart handle powered? The Q-Smart handle requires 4 AA batteries. The expected life is about 6 to 9 months. When the batteries become low, you'll get a clear warning which says low battery and will give you about 4 weeks notice. In the event that the batteries do go flat, you can use any micro USB power pack to power the handle from the outside. Inside your Q-Smart handle set, we do provide you with a Dortech power bank. All you need to do is remove the external cover and connect the power pack, which will generate enough power so you can gain entry. Once inside, you can then rechange the batteries and use the handle as normal. So using the power pack doesn't compromise any security. All it basically does is replicates the amount of power that a battery has so you can gain entry in a secure manner. So who can fit the Q-Smart handle? At VBH, we only recommend an approved Q-Smart installer to fit your handle. If you're using an approved installer, then you'll receive your full guarantee. For the list of approved Q-Smart installers, please contact VBH.